How's it going, everybody? James with OnlineCarShow.net. In this video, we've got some paddle extenders for the inside of the 2018 Camaro Elvira. Can't wait to get these on the car and check them out. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, as a lot of y'all may know, I did, I don't know, 4 or 5 videos before for CamaroSwag. Really like their interior mods. If you do plan to go out and get some mods for your Camaro from CamaroSwag, please use the code OCS10. This will save you 10% on your order and help support my channel. They've got some really awesome mods for the interior and exterior of the Camaro, so be sure to go out and check out their website. That's CamaroSwag.com. Also, just to bring y'all up to date, those that haven't been watching the videos on where we are so far with the interior mods and so forth, I'm going to show a quick video clip here from one of my last videos showing off all the mods so far. As you can see, their mods, I've gone with the red and carbon fiber theme in the inside. They look just awesome in the car. I get complimented on all the time, and I love driving the car with them in there. Makes it just a little bit more nicer in the car and a little more sporty looking. I love the look of it. So we've got these paddle extenders. What they're going to do is you either can use the 3M tape provided or use Goop, which I'm going to opt for to install them on the back of your paddles on the steering wheel that are already there. So this will work on an automatic transmission or a manual. Either one, it's the same paddles on the Chevy Camaro and I think Corvette. Before we get to the unboxing part of the video, please hit that like and subscribe button below. That helps support my channel and help my videos to grow. Thank you so much. And let's go ahead and take a look at what they look like. One thing about CamaroSwag is these are parts, you know, made in China or whatnot, just like you would order from eBay. I'm going to get tons of comments saying, why would you spend that on this part when you can go out and get the same part from a Chinese vendor for a lot cheaper? One thing, ordering from CamaroSwag, you're going to know that he's dealt with all these vendors, with the Chinese vendors. He knows which ones are good. He quality checks every single item. He can even make customizations if you sweet talk him enough. You're just going to be able to sleep at night knowing that you're getting a good mod. It's going to fit your car. The color's going to be right, etc. As you can see here, he nailed it. I was worried this was going to come like an anodized, you know, kind of off red, which you see a lot on these extenders. It looks like he may have even custom painted it. I'm not sure if he did that or if it came from China like that, but really cool. Looks really good. Let's go ahead and see the other one. Packaging's pretty good. All right, there's the other one. So these look really good. As I mentioned, they're just going to stick on the back. He's got 3M tape already there. They just pop on. Basically, we're going to clean off the area using some alcohol wipes and stick them on. Well, I've already cleaned the area first with some glass cleaner, and then I used an alcohol wipe. It's cleaned off really good. just doing a test fit here. It looks like the spacing is built to have that sticker in there. So what I may do is leave the sticker, the 3M sticker in there, and just apply a little bit of goop and smear it over the top of it, and in some spaces where the sticker isn't, so we get a good snug stick and it won't come off ever. But I did reach out to my buddy Chris on Instagram. He's done a lot of these mods. I'm going to show you a picture of his steering wheel and interior here. Looks freaking killer. But ask him, and he said that I think he said he used the tape at first, but it came loose. So he recommended I use the goop. So we're going to go that route. But wow, looks freaking awesome in the car. So we're going to remove these stickers, put a little goop in, stick them down, hold it for just a couple seconds, and we're done. If you do have some problem getting the red part of the sticker off, which I am right now, that's just the way it is with this damn 3M tape. You can actually hit it with a heat gun, little trick I learned, and it'll come loose. I'll go ahead and do one at a time. You don't want enough where it's going to come out, but you do want to put it on an area where the sticker isn't, so just in case that sticker comes loose, it's not going to come loose the whole thing. Once you're satisfied with it, oh, we got one spot there. It's smoothed down good. And go ahead and apply it to the car. Do not get any of the goop and shit on your steering wheel, that's for sure, especially if you have Alcantara. We're just going to leave that there to stick. Looks like it's in a good spot. If you do have any excess, be sure to wipe it off before it dries. Make sure you get it in a good spot, smush down good, then move to the other one. I'll show a video here at the end of how it looks with the other mods in the car. I think we got it good. I'm gonna go ahead and just ply her on the back. Sure you get a good snug fit on there. Push her down good, hold it. Doesn't take but a couple seconds holding it with the goop. It's pretty strong, plus you got the tape. I think we're pretty good on the fit there. A little over. I think we're good. So I'm gonna call that done. They do kind of wiggle a little bit in there so you can position it exactly how you want it. But I think that looks good. I'm gonna call it good, and let's go ahead and roll the end video and call it done. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. Can't say that enough. Hope everyone has a great week. Planning to order a Fast Tech mod next, and we've got another CamaroSwag video and mod on the way. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great week.